Hey, so I just got done laying my G floor. I wanted to show you, I was debating on what floor product to put in this trailer. And, they're varying different manufacturers. This I needed 7'6" wide, so I didn't want to have to cut too much. So I went for 7'6" wide rolls, but I'm really happy that I chose their product. It was really easy to cut, first off. But this stuff is not flimsy either. So I kept going back and forth with some of these other brands that you can find, and none of them compared to the thickness of this brand. And the flexibility and durability, I like to, if you put it in, if it gets a little bit warm, gets a little hot, it tends to get a little softer and mold better to your floor, but it holds its shape and you don't have to glue it down. So it's got enough weight that that it just lays nice. Just goes right back down. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to do a little trim on the edges, something that's removable. I don't want to have to glue it down because I want to be able to remove it, clean it, or whatever. Once you glue it down, then heck, you're stuck with all that glue marks underneath, so it's kind of like a permanent kind of thing. This extra piece I've got here is going to go on my door all the way in the back, the drop-down door. Now, that I am going to have to glue. And keep in mind, they tell you exactly what type of glue to get that's compatible with this material. But if you're on the fence about a utility floor, either for your garage, and for my case, my utility trailer, G-Floor, I feel like I made the best choice. The thickness is there, the durability is there, they've got different colors, and it's made in the USA. So check out G-Floor.